Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can invite a collaborator or co-editor to your documents and notebooks on Goodnotes. So let us dive into this. Alright guys, so let me launch the Goodnotes app on my desktop computer. And what you need to do, guys, is click into, navigate to your notebook, of course, and click into this button in the top right, Share and Export. Choose the uppermost option, Invite New Collaborator. So guys, here you will see all the users that have been given access to the given document, which is, I assume, you as the document owner or author with the full access here. But you can invite collaborators and co-editors to give them access to your document and to allow them to make edits to it. So what you want to do is enable the shareable link here. And that is going to change, or create, I should rather say, create a shareable link here so that you may click into it to copy it to your clipboard, send the invitation to your co-editors via direct messaging services like WhatsApp and Facebook Messenger and so on and so forth. And you will also, after that, see this option here, anyone with the link. So you may, of course, close this here. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.